Now let's move on to the second problem. It says solve the problems given in example 1, and these are the problems. So we'll do them one by one. So this is the first one. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So we can start like this. Let the number of John's marbles equals x, therefore number of Jivanti's marbles equals 45 minus x, because together they had 45 marbles. After losing 5 marbles, number of John's marbles equals x minus 5, and number of Jivanti's marbles equals 45 minus x minus 5, which is equal to 40 minus x. Now it's given that product of the current number of marbles, the product is 124. So we can say x minus 5 times 40 minus x equals 124. This condition is actually given. So how can we proceed? So we'll just multiply this and expand the expression. This will be 40x minus x squared minus 200 plus 5x equals 124, and we'll bring everything together. So this will be minus x squared plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 equals 0, and if you divide throughout by a negative 1, this will be x squared minus 45x plus 324 equals 0. So let's split negative 45 so that on adding it will give negative 45, and on multiplication it will give 324. So how can we split this? This is nothing but 36 into 9. So this will be x squared minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals 0. So negative 36 and negative 9 will give negative 45. Negative 36 into negative 9 will give you positive 324. So this is x into x minus 36 minus 9 into x minus 36 equals 0. This is x minus 9 times x minus 36 equals 0. So x equals 9 or x equals 36. If John had 9 marbles, Jivanti had 36 marbles. So even if you consider John's as 36, so this is one solution. Similarly, if John had 36 marbles, Jivanti had 9 marbles. So it's a combination of either 9 and 36. If John had 9, Jivanti would have had 36. If John's count was 36, Jivanti would have had 9. So these are the possible solutions. Now let's move on to the second subdivision. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. So we would like to find the number of toys produced on that day. So we can start like this. On that particular day, let the number of toys produced equals x. Therefore, cost of production of each toy equals 55 minus x. How did we get this? It's given in the problem. Cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus number of toys. 55 minus number of toys is x. So that's how we got this. And therefore we can say total cost of production is equal to x times 55 minus x. So, but this is also equal to 750 because it's given total cost of production was 750. So we can equate these two expressions and form the quadratic equation which is required. X times 55 minus x equals 750. 55x minus x squared equals 750. We'll take everything to one side and rearrange them. So this will be x squared minus 55x plus 750 equals 0. So we need to split this 55 in such a way that if you add, we should get negative 55, and if you multiply, you should get 750. So how can we split this? So this is x squared minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 equals 0. So minus 25x minus 30x will give minus 55x. Minus 25 into minus 30 will give plus 750. So this is x into x minus 25 minus 30 into x minus 25 equals 0, or x equals 30 and x equals 25. So we've got two possibilities. Number of toys produced on that day can be 30 or 25.